Hello everyone, welcome to Accurex YouTube channel. Today we'll brought a product AccuTest Troponin-I chromatographic immunoassay. It is a rapid test. It is safe for detection of cardiac Troponin-I, handling and storage of this kit. So for handling, you should wear proper hand gloves and do not use expired kit and unbroken kit. And for storage, it is 2 to 30 degrees Celsius. So store at the temperature given on the kit and do not freeze this kit. In this kit, we will get one pack insert, 10 test card. Inside the test card, you will find dropper also. For testing procedure, you can use 3 samples, that is plasma, whole blood and serum. Right now we are using whole blood prick test. So before starting the procedure, you should write patient name and date for future record on test card. Now we'll take sample for the procedure. Clean the fingertip with the alcohol swab and let it to dry. And we'll prick with the lancet and take 3 to 4 drops on dropper. And put into the sample well. And we'll wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see control line is present and test line is not present. That means patient is negative Troponin-I. In this way, you can check more samples within a 15 minutes. Thank you.